Hello, my name is Jenna Gardner. I'm an English teacher at Meadow Creek High School in Norcross, Georgia. And today we're going to look at the web-based text tool of Voyant. Voyant is a interesting way to make close reading more visual for students. It will take a text and show students to it in an analytical and visual way. What I have done here is I've already posted the text of Twelfth Night into the box. As soon as I hit reveal, we're going to see what the text looks like. First in a word cloud, which we can get from many different programs, but it will show us the words in the entire corpus. It will show basically what words are very common but perhaps less common and make us think about things that we're seeing. More importantly, as we go to other tools, we're going to see how words show up. At this point in Twelfth Night, I would be in Act 2, Scene 2, and the students would have seen the word disguise 2 times and realized that disguise is a very important thing in the play. So we would want to see how many times it shows up. Well, we have a young woman dressed up as a man and we only have disguise twice. Why is that? We can see them in context right here. We Better to Love a Dream. This is the soliloquy by Viola that we're looking at right now. We can look at the original instance where we are in the beginning of the play, and we know that, oh my goodness, she's asking the captain to let her be disguised. We can also look and see if there are other words, and this is when you let students brainstorm words similar to disguise. For example, hide. Does the word hide show up? Well, yes, we have hide. We can see it shows up later on in the play. We can go look at this. Okay, this is My Passion Hides. What about reveal? What about the opposite? Do we have reveal? Okay, well, when we see reveals, I mean, it makes a certain sense that we see this near the end of the play. So again, students can start making projections. They can look at the text that we're focusing on and think about it in context of the entire play. Or once we get to the end of a text, they can look back and think what repetitions and what anomalies have been present in the text in a visual way, both through analytics, word clouds, and again, the words within the document. Every one of these fields can be downloaded, exported out, so that students can put them into documents, perhaps even papers that they might be doing on the text. And these are different ways to think about the text as opposed to just the words on a page. Now, something like this I would often use as a springboard, so I would have students discuss this, look at it visually, talk about it in class, perhaps have discussion questions, and move to even a writing assessment that's a little bit more traditional. So all of this would allow students to think about a text in a non-traditional way and perhaps move on to a more traditional assessment. Now, again, this can be done with any text, and students, you should feel free to use whatever text you'd like with students, but if you are interested in using what I've done with Twelfth Night, this URL will take you to the questions, the Google Doc with the questions from the text. And again, Voyant is one of these tools that allows students to see language in a way that they haven't seen it before and engage in a deeper close reading of the text. Thank you.